Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Lexus key easy method. Start by opening the fob seam gently with a small flathead screwdriver and keep parts on a soft cloth. Remove the old CR2032 battery, note its orientation, and insert the new battery the same way. Test buttons and the mechanical key function before snapping the case closed. If the fob still fails, clean contacts with isopropyl and try again. Start by diagnosing the fob to find the root cause in a calm, stepwise way. Press every button and watch for LED or response, and try the mechanical key to confirm the vehicle accepts manual operation. Open the fob and inspect the battery and contact surfaces for corrosion or misalignment. Clean contacts with a small cotton swab and isopropyl if needed, and replace the battery if voltage seems low. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle I keep nearby makes long repair sessions easier and keeps you hydrated, which matters when concentrating on small parts. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one for your toolbox. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these repair steps slowly and with care to avoid further damage. Clean any corrosion on contacts using a cotton swab dipped in 90% isopropyl alcohol and allow it to dry fully. Replace worn rubber pads or reposition misaligned buttons so they make consistent contact with the circuit board. Insert a fresh CR2032 battery, align it correctly, and snap the case back together before testing all functions again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.